Hello, good people. Hello, good people. Just wanted to come through. Okay, so I guess Miss TT is coming through today too. She is such a camera hog, I swear. I was sitting here trying to do video auditions the other day, and take after take, Miss TT just thought she could just come through and take over the show. And I wasn't having it. I wasn't here for it. What are you doing? Come here. Because you're getting on my nerves. All right. So, before you all, write me up for animal abuse and stuff like that, I wanted to come live because, hello! Oh my God, Scott! Hello! I miss you. One of my favorite people I've ever worked for in my life, and I've said that many times while I was working for you. So, yes, I still mean that today. In 2021. I still feel that way. So I wanted to come live to you from my closet, my new sanctuary. My secondary sanctuary is being, it's going to be redone, remodeled, restored. And that's going to be the makeup room. Because this room was giving you more of a feel of a boutique. I wanted it to feel like when my girlfriends come over, the moment they walk through the door, they want to play dress up. And the moment I walk through the door, just in my own place, I want to play dress up. So that's what I do. I play dress up in here a lot, okay? And one of the things that I wanted to do was something that you all suggested and something that you all had questions about. And because I'm a baldy, 99% of the time, unless I'm doing a TikTok video, I didn't know that this was a thing. And that thing that I'm talking about is naming my wigs. I didn't know. No one told me, okay? I wasn't in on it. So, now that I'm here, okay, I've arrived, I set my alarm clock, she's up. I'm going to have you all help me name my wigs. So I just got a new one. Oh, you all say that one. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got 10 up there. Now I don't know if we can name all 10 tonight because I'm actually going to be going live from the Sisterhood group. Anyone who's not in that, you need to be in that because I'm going to go live at 7. And I'm going to be doing a live makeup tutorial on how to get this look. How to achieve this look in 10 minutes. Because most of the girls ain't got more than 10 minutes. You got kids, you got dogs and cats and plants and jobs that you always late for and you're not trying to get fired from and written up for. You got all that going on. You ain't got more than 10 minutes, okay? So I'm going to help you get out the house in 10 minutes. And the average person, they don't want to devote that much time, if that, but no more than that, to doing their makeup. So with that being said, I wonder if we should let's just start with the first row. How about that? So we're going to start with the first row, 1 through 4, okay? And this is going to be called Name That Girl. Name that girl, 'cause I don't got no music on here. Name that girl, 'cause I'm not trying to get fucked up with copyright. Name that girl. Ow! All right, that's it. All right, so we're going to start with this girl right here. And I like her because she's sassy. She's blonde, like that platinum look. And so this is number 1. This is girl number 1, okay? And we're going to name that girl. So I'm going to use my other mirror to put her on because I still haven't become a pro of putting these things on. Okay. Now, I really like her. She's blonde, she's sassy, she's fun, she's flirty, she's kind of ditzy. She's that smart girl who plays ditzy. You ever met that person? Like they act like they're not here, they act like they're not with it, they act like they don't know what's going on. But meanwhile, they just taking your inventory and then they just hit you with an indictment. And you like, oh, you've been on it the whole time. I didn't know that. All right, so that's what she gives me, platinum blonde, unassuming. People think she doesn't know much, but she's really with it, but she's fun. You want to hang out with her on the weekends. This is who you want to hang out with on the weekends. Okay? So, this is number one. What are we going to name her? I need some suggestions. Drop these suggestions down in the comment section. We need to know, who's this girl? Name that girl. Na, 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 na. All right, here we go. All right, so that's number one. Go ahead and put her back. Why is my phone ringing during the live? Hold on, we're going to stop that. You're not allowed to call me, whoever you are. Not right now. Okay. All right, so that was number one. We will put this on silent. We're not having it. Ain't nobody got time for that, okay? If they not naming that girl, they don't need to be calling. All right, so she's going to go back up here. You're going to go back up here until we figure this out. Okay, Miss Thing? Okay. Don't have no attitude with me. All right. This one is a crochet wig that someone made for me in Atlanta, and everyone really likes this one on me, and including me. I like this one too. All right, so we're going to go ahead and try this girl on, okay? And what's funny is there's something about this wig that, okay, here we go. All right, this is it. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. But you know what's so funny? There's something about this wig that whenever I take pictures with it and I see myself in a picture with it, I always look just like my mother. Because my mother's been wearing her hair like this recently. And I swear, I feel like I look like my mother whenever I wear this. All right? Which is not a bad thing. But I'm just like, you know, that's deep. I don't know why I'm whispering. But it's deep, right? So we're going to name this girl. She's number two. She's number two. She's the crochet wig with the blonde highlights and what's this? Shedding? Okay, I don't know what that is. All right, let TT take care of that. All right, so that's what's going on here. She is fun. She's flirty. You'll hire her because you can trust her in accounting, okay? She can count. Don't I look like I can count? All right, so I would have her in accounting. You know, she know all the tea in the office, but she ain't gonna tell it. She ain't messy. She's definitely not messy, okay? So, that's what we got going on here. Name her. Girl number two. Name that girl. Na da 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 da. Name that girl. Cause I don't know names and I got no game. Name that girl. All right. Now let's go on number, what's this? Going on number three, right? All right. So we're going to go ahead on to number three. And number three seems to be a fan favorite, okay? Gina says it's cute. Vicky Jones, I owe you a phone call. Orlando says number one. And Chrissy, I couldn't see what you're saying. I'm about to find out what it is. Okay, so number three seems to be a fan favorite, okay? This one is really a fan favorite. So we're going to go with number three right now. Orlando, don't I look like my mom in number two? Okay. Yes, this is a fan favorite right here. All right, let me go ahead and fix her up so y'all won't be taking screenshots of me and set me up in 10 years from now. We're not having it. All right. Now, this one right here, this is my Mary J. Blige wig. This is my Mary J. wig. This gives me Mary J. all day. This is number three. If you're just now tuning in, this is called Name That Girl. Na 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 na. Name that girl. This is Name That Girl. This is number three. My battery is going dead, but we want to name this girl, okay? So you all drop your names in the comment section so we can get to the last one. Or should this one be the last one of the day? We can do three because we got, let's see. We got 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we can do three. We're going to do three. We got 3 pieces today, okay? And we're going to name this girl number 3. And I'm going to have people take votes, okay? We're going to vote. Now, she's sassy, okay? Now, the last one, She worked in accounting, okay? She was the one who knew all the tea in the office. She was the one that you can trust because she's not messy. She wasn't going to spread the tea. But her, oh, baby, don't mess with her because she'll cuss you out. She'll cuss you out. She'll slash tires. She put bleach in your what you call it, in your yard. Okay, you ain't gonna have no more grass. Let's put all that money on that grass. You ain't gonna have no more grass, Miss Bird. You cross her, you in trouble. She's nothing like number two. Okay, so we got to get that straight. We got to take these things into consideration when we coming up with these names. Okay, so we got to make sure we understand. You know, because you ever walk down the street and you look at somebody, you like, she look like a Teresa. She look like a Sadie. Don't she look like Monica? You know, so this is like that, right? All right? Now, we're not saying that about Mary J. Blige. We're just saying that this hair on me is giving all of those things, okay? So we have to take that into consideration. So I'm about to go live on the sisterhood group because I'm about to come up out of all this makeup and I'm going to put it back on. Okay, in front of the ladies on the sisterhood group. If you need to join the sisterhood group, you got until 7 o'clock to inbox me so I can send you an invite. And I'm going to show you how to get this look in 10 minutes. Okay, because like I said, the girls ain't got more than 10 minutes to give to their face in the morning. Okay, you got kids to beat, dogs to feed, men to go check behind, you know, to cuss out or something. I don't know. Woman to cuss out. Both. Okay, we're not judging over here. All right, so let me know because I'm about to show y'all how to do the 10-minute look. Drop your names down in here, okay? I love you all. Share this so we can get some more input. And until next time, always remember to ask yourself, what? Why be limited? Na da 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 da. Name that girl. Ow!